Hello to all. I am Dr.AJAY Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss fragrance of flowers and fruits. Fragrance of flowers and fruits. Floral scent or flower scent is composed of all the volatile organic compounds or aroma compound emitted by floral tissue, also called flower petals. Other names for floral scent include aroma, fragrance, floral odor, or perfume. What chemicals makes flower smell? Floral scent and fruit aroma share many volatile organic compounds, as for example, terpenoids, phenyl propanoids, benzenoids, fatty acid derivatives, and amino acid derivatives. These are responsible for floral scent or fruit aroma. A flower scent is created within the petals where essential oils are stored. When there is a warm weather, the oil combined and evaporate, producing a unique scent for every flower to attract pollinators. The most common oil scent given off by scented flower is methyl benzoate and ester. Other chemicals also produce a smell, as for example alcohol, aldehyde, esters, ketones, lactones, thiols. These are the chemicals that also produce a smell. Generally, esters are present in flowers and its smell is sweet or fragrant. Good fragrance is due to the ester. I just told you methyl benzoate, that is a ester, is responsible for floral scent. Now, what is actually a smell? A smell is a chemical stimulus with a physiological response which can be due to one or combination of odorant molecules, means molecules which are responsible for odor, means smell, ODOR. A smell is a chemical stimulus with a physiological response which can be due to one or a combination of odorant molecules. In general, the rose scent, particularly I am talking about the rose. In general, the rose scent is dominated by terpenoids, phenyl propanoids, and benzenoids. Only a few fatty acid derivatives are involved in rose floral scent. Now, just come to the fruits, apples. Then apple test, we know a smell. Who is responsible for that? Which chemicals? Then butyl acetate, hexyl acetate, 2-methyl butyl acetate, ethyl 2-methyl butanate are the most important esters. These are responsible for the taste of apples or a smell of apples. Again I am telling you, that butyl acetate, hexyl acetate, 2-methyl butyl acetate, ethyl 2-methyl butanoate. Actually, these are the esters, most important esters, and these are responsible for smells of apple. Due to these are found in high concentration, high content, and impart an apple aroma of several varieties. Now, esters. Just I want to give the idea of esters. Already I told you, ester actually is a sweetening agent, you can tell. Esters, that is a sweet smelling substance. Esters are sweet smelling substances and are used in making perfumes. Example, I told you methyl benzoate, and this what I discussed, butyl acetate, hexyl acetate, 2-methyl butanoate, and ethyl 2-methyl butanate. These are the ester, and these are responsible for you can say smelling, sweet smelling substances. What is the role of chemistry here in flowers? Here also there is a role of chemistry. Photosynthesis, you might be knowing. Chemistry role in flowers comes in during photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, what happens? You require carbon dioxide, CO2. You require water vapor. You require light energy. That is also called HNU, energy, light energy. And then in the presence of these it will convert to glucose. Glucose C6H12O6 means 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus HNU means light energy. Then these will convert to glucose, that is the C6H12O6. And also during respiration, this reaction will reverse. During respiration, here actually it forms main reactions. I told you it forms glucose and it releases oxygen. That is helpful for us. It forms oxygen, correct? But during respiration, what will happen? That reaction will be reversed. Means glucose plus 6O2, it will form 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus energy. That's why actually this reaction will take place in the night. That's why in the night actually it is not allowed to sleep in the garden, because this reaction will take place. C6H12O6 plus 6O2, and it will form 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus energy. Means it will release in the night under the tree. You will get carbon dioxide gas, no oxygen, and because it releases heat, that's why you will feel warm. Hence it is not allowed to sleep or sit under tree in the night in the garden. Okay, in the garden under the tree, it is not allowed to sleep or sit, because there will be a scarcity of oxygen and more carbon dioxide will be available due to this reaction. But in the daytime, reaction is helpful for us. Means it will absorb carbon dioxide, and in the presence of water and sunlight, it will form glucose plus oxygen. Means 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O plus light it forms C6H12O6 plus 6O2 oxygen gas. That's why in the daytime no problem. It is good for us. It is good for environment. But in the night that reaction will reverse. Hence oxygen, whatever oxygen will be available in the garden, that will be absorbed and it will give carbon dioxide, and also it will produce heat. Then this is actually chemistry behind the, you can say, plant or flower, you can tell. Chemistry role in flowers comes in during photosynthesis or respiration. Photosynthesis, already told you that photosynthesis is the process of capturing light energy and converting it to the sugar energy. It forms sugar. Glucose is sugar, giving plants the ability to make their own food. Glucose is the food for plant. Now, is a smell a chemical reaction? Yes. When two or more compounds or elements are mixed and a scent or odor is present, it means chemical reaction taken place. Again I am telling, when two or more compounds or elements are mixed and a scent or odor is produced, it means a chemical reaction taken place. For example, when an egg begin to smell, that is a rotten egg, a chemical reaction has taken place. This is the result of a chemical decomposition. Now here I want to tell you that all flowers will not give the identical, you can say, or same smell. All flower will give different smell. Flower can be identical in their color or shape, but no two floral seeds, scents are exactly the same. Flowers can be identical in their color or shape, but no two floral scents are exactly the same because of the diversity of volatile compounds. Different volatile compounds will produce different smell. And also relative abundance, whether it is less or more, or interaction. Flowers can be important. Flowers can be identical in their color or shape, but no two floral scents are exactly the same because of diversity of volatile compounds, relative abundance, and interaction. Now, fragrance of color is considered a physical property. Now I am talking about the fragrance of a flower. Then its property is a physical properties. That was the reaction, chemical reaction, but property is physical properties. Fragrance of a flower is considered a physical property because it is a characteristics of matter that does not involve a change in its chemical composition. Physical properties, example of physical properties are fragrance, color, and textures can be observed without altering the substance itself. Now other example like I am giving for the fruits smell, that is of mangoes. Mango, you know that it has a special odor, a special smell, a special fragrance. Then mangoes, pineapple, apricot, strawberry. Then for their smell, which is responsible? Who is responsible? Then in ripe mangoes, the most abundant ester is ethyl butyrate. Here also ester is responsible, and ester name is ethyl butyrate. And this also is responsible. Actually, it is this ethyl butyrate has a sweet, fruity scent. Ethyl butyrate has a sweet, fruity scent and reminiscent of pineapple, apricot or strawberry. Only this is responsible for a smell. Smell means this fruity smell or fragrance for pineapple, apricot and strawberry. Only this ethyl butyrate, it is an ester, is responsible. Now come to the muskmelon. Next fruit is muskmelon. You have eaten, then you might be knowing it's a fragrance or its taste, fragrance, a smell. Then who is responsible for that type of taste? Then here two chemicals are mainly responsible. C9 compounds. C9 compounds means C means carbon. 9 carbons are joined to each other. C. 9 carbons are joined to each other. In that compound, 9 carbons are present. And that's why it is called nonane. But it will be in the form of alcohol. Alcohol also smells. Already I told you. Ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol. Then in these things, in wines, that smell is due to alcohol only, ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol. Generally ethyl alcohol will be there, but sometimes it is denatured by mixing with methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is poisonous. That's why actually that is made for the solvent purpose, for painting. But methylated alcohol is easily available, but it is a poisonous nature. But taste will be similar taste like alcohol, because that alcohol is also mixed, but their purpose is for use as a solvent. Just for painting time you require solvent. Then paints is mixed with that only alcohol, it will dissolve. Then people are not knowing, illiterate people or other general people also, just simply they will smell and will think that it is a alcohol, but that alcohol is different alcohol, poisonous alcohol. That's why people will die. Many peoples, there is a record that many people in every places died due to consumption of this denatured alcohol, which is done by mixing it with methyl alcohol. Then now I was talking about this muskmelon. Then in muskmelon, actually alcohol is found, but it is a different alcohol. Alcohol which has 9 carbon, compound of 9 carbon, but alcohol group is present that behave like a alcohol. Its name is given Z3-nonane-1-all. This is the IUPAC name given by IUPAC, International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to that, its name is Z3-nonane-1-all. All means alcohol. This is actually compound 20. Many compounds are there, compound 20. And another compound is Z6-nonane-1-all. Same, 3-nonane-1-all, and other is 6 known and 1 all. This is compound 21. They have given numbering of the compounds of C9 compounds. Then here these two, 3 known and 1 all, 6 known and 1 all, which are the principal odorants in muskmelon. In muskmelon flavor, these are found. Or for muskmelon flavor, these two compounds, Z3 known and 1 all, Z6 known and 1 all, are responsible. And these two compounds were perceived as having sweet green odor, and this sweet green odor attributes and detected in relatively high concentration. In this, actually these two compounds are found in muskmelon in high concentration. And special characteristics of muskmelon. In muskmelon, that ascorbic acid is found more. Means vitamin C, you can tell, ascorbic acid, 40 milligram per 100 gram of fresh weight. If 100 gram, if you will take muskmelon, then 40 milligram ascorbic acid, that is a vitamin C, is found. Not only ascorbic acid, other vitamins are also found. Vitamin B1, B3, B6 and B9. These are found in muskmelon, which makes it a special fruit compared to the others. And its pH is, you can tell, between 6.5 to 7. pH means here neither it is acidic nor basic. 7 means neutral. Then its pH value, that is between 6.5 to 7, almost neutral. 7 means neutral. And now come to the banana. In the last, I want to discuss about the banana. Banana fruits also has a very special smell, fragrance. Then now, what is the responsible for that? Who is responsible? Then which chemical is responsible? Then that is the isoamyl acetate. That is also ester. Isoamyl acetate and ester, important ester. As the banana continues to ripen, it produces more isoamyl acetate. It produces more isoamyl acetate. That's why more ripe banana tend to smell more strongly, because more isoamyl acetate will be formed. But here you should know, if a banana is unripe, then artificially it is sometimes made ripen. Then that is done by C2H2 gas, ethylene gas. By use of ethylene gas, C2H2, ethylene gas. Now this, not only banana, other fruits also, this gas C2H2, ethylene gas, is used, and due to this acetylene gas, it becomes that banana will turn from green to yellow. That time ethylene gas is formed. Sometimes acetylene is also used, CH triple bond CH. But what I am talking about ethylene, that is a double bond, CH2. Then generally just to ripen the fruits, this gas is used, ethylene gas. Sometimes in a natural way also it forms. Sometimes if you don't want to you can say make it ripe forcibly by use of chemicals, then in a natural way also it will form ethylene gas. In natural way also it will form ethylene gas, and due to that it will begin to change the color from green to yellow. green to yellow, and it becomes sweeter also, sweeter taste, you know. Banana produces a natural gas, ethylene, as they ripe, which is responsible for their characteristic sweet aroma, sweet, and because it is now becoming ripened, but it will form isoamyl acetate also. Their quantity will be more. This is the ester. Then this whatever we get taste of banana, for that amyl, isoamyl acetate is responsible. Correct? More ripe banana tend to smell more strongly. Correct? Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.